Okay, the half shafts on the yoke side by the differential, they take a 9/16 socket. I'm using a deep. But the half shaft wants to spin because I've got everything off. So what I did was I'm using my trusty long screwdriver from Craftsman and put it up in between the two flanges on the half shaft to prevent it from spinning. And that's how I'm able to break these bolts loose. Looks like the ones on the other side of the half shaft are 5/8, and they may take a wrench. I don't know if we can get a socket in there. I've got them all broken loose on the yoke side. Have to go get the wrench for the other side. Okay, I got my 5/8 inch socket. They're fairly thin wall. It's a 3/8 set. So I was able to get that on there with the deep. And as long as my wrench fits, and I can still get my screwdriver in there to keep it from turning. That's a little bit tight. I think I may want to throw some blaster on that. I haven't put any on it yet. So I'm going to do that. Since I don't want to break any of those bolts off. I had to resort to the impact wrench to take that off. But it came off without much trouble once I got the impact wrench on it. Now, I've already taken one of the end caps off of the inner side. And this side separated nicely for me whenever I took it off. So what I have left is one bolt here holding it on. What I'm going to try to do is to hold those caps on that U-joint so that I don't have a repeat of what happened to me with the drive shaft, where I pulled it out and all the needle bearings went everywhere, and I wasn't 100% sure that I had them all back in the cap, so I'm going to replace that even though it wasn't looking like it needed it. Of course, with the, well, there goes the cap, and now I'm going to grab the two caps from the U-joint, make sure they don't fall off. So there they are. We're going to take those on right away so that we don't have them fall off. Okay, I've got the caps of that U-joint taped on so that they don't fall off. And for now, until I go to paint this, I can identify the left from the right drive shaft by the two gray markings here. They don't exist on the right side. This is the left. All of these U-joints appear to be pretty good shape. And since these aren't really that hard to take off, I'm not going to replace them. I'm just going to paint them up and make them look pretty. Now I'll go ahead and repeat that same process on the driver's side, take that half shaft off, and we'll be ready to get rid of the trailing arms.